Question 9a. Make M the subject of the formula. This is the formula. Hence, evaluate M if N is equal to 3, F is equal to 4, D is equal to 8. In the given formula, what to do first is to remove the square root sign, and that is possible if you square both sides. So M becomes M squared. The square removes square root from here. You have it in this form. You need to clear the fraction, multiply through by D minus N. You have it in this form. Now, we have M squared here, and we have minus M squared F. So you have to collect like terms. So this term is already here. You transfer this term, it becomes plus M squared F equal to N plus 1. If you factor out M squared from this place, you have M squared here, D minus N plus F in this form. To get M squared, divide both sides by D minus N plus F. So M squared is equal to this. And to get M from M squared, you need to take the square root of both sides. So you have this result. When N equal to 3, F equal to 4, D equal to 8, M is equal to square root of 3 plus 1 over 8 minus 3 plus 4. That is square root of 4 over 9, and you have 2 over 3. Question 9b. If arrow varies inversely as the cube of S and arrow is equal to 8 when S equal to 4, find S when arrow is equal to 512 over 216. Arrow varies inversely as the cube of S is this. In variation, we usually do away with the symbol of variation by introducing equality sign and the constant of variation to multiply the right hand side in this form. When arrow equal to 8, S equal to 4, this is to enable you find K. So you replace arrow with 8, S with 4 in this form. If you multiply through by 4 cube, which is 64, that clears fraction. So you have 8 times 64 equal to K, or K equal to 8 times 64. That is 512. You need to state the formula connecting arrow and S. You simply come here and you replace K with 512 in this form. This also means that arrow S cube is equal to 512. You are now asked to find S when arrow is equal to 512 over 216. So let's recall this formula and simply make S cube the subject by dividing through by arrow in this form. So you have 512 over 1. Because arrow is fractional, let us use division sign. So you have 512 over 1 divided by 512 over 216. In division of fractions, division sign changes to multiplication and you invert the fraction at the right side. So you have this result. 512 cancel 512. Divide 216 by 1, you have 216. To get S from S cube, you need to take the cube root of 216, and that is 6. Therefore, S is equal to 6 when r is equal to 512 over 216. Question 9c. Find the derivative of y equal to cube root of s to the power of 4 with respect to s. This is a single function and you use the power rule of differentiation, which states that if y is equal to s power n, then dy ds is equal to n times s to the power of n minus 1. This is the given function. You need to express it in this form. So you need to convert cube roots to the power of 1 over 3 in this form. And when you evaluate the two powers using power law of indices, you have s to the power of 4 over 3. Then you differentiate. The process of differentiating means you will obtain the derivative of that function. So n is 4 over 3. You bring it to multiply s, then the power minus 1. You have it in this form. So you have 4 over 3. S power 1 over 3 can also be expressed as cube root of s. So you have it in this form.